Alright, yo, little message. I know you probably noticed the intro change and the ban. No, intro change and outro change, and banner change and profile photo change. You know, I've revamped the thing, and we also have now an Instagram, a Facebook page, and a TikTok, which I'm gonna try put up in the screen now. Instagram will probably be, they'll all probably be for posting highlights. I might do some other stuff on there, different content, but realistically, they're all gonna be for posting a little bit of highlights and maybe announcing stuff in the future with whatever I do. But yeah, go give them a follow if you want. And yeah, into the video. Full door R34 something, I don't know. I only know GTRs, so I don't know. This could be a GTS, blah 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 blah. I have no damn idea, but I know it's nice. Very nice. It's longer than the... It's obviously going to be longer. That's not for some reason. What the hell? Lexus something. Benz 190, I think it is. Yeah, no, it's a Lexus. Got a sunroof open there, you'll see what's that one. 190, and then this Golf Rabbit. It's a Mark II Golf. Those rims, some good ass. It's a nice colour too. Look at them three. There you go, get a nice shot for the vid. BMW, a drift car. Well, this one definitely is, don't know about the other one. This has got like pearlescent paint. This thing's the same. It's got like the race car window things. This thing's nuts. That's nuts. And then you got this one, which I assume is a drift car too. They're both pretty nuts. This one's definitely nuts. Nice engine. Very clean. Very clean. Very clean. The gang, there's an MX-5, Sylvia, and then two blooming rally cars. Seneca, Subi. Over here, some break. RS Fiesta. Go on, lad. Go on, Civic. Today is very fun. R34 and a Civic. Civic, yep. Send it, lad. Oh. Go on, Civic. Super. It's so stupid. Bruh, it's so stupid. I love the gearbox sound when they change. Golf's going. Sylvia. And a truck. There's a truck back there. Go on, truck. The truck wants to go, man. Oh my god, I felt that. Oh. He's gone back. Go on. Yeah.
Bro, he's having some trouble getting the power down. Seneca and stuff. He understood the assignment, Suri. MX-5. Fiesta's come back. I didn't see that turn up. I didn't see that. 2G. Look at the MR2. Evo. Oh. Okay. Nice. Civic's coming back. Okay. What's he doing? Launch control. There you go, Z-Tech did it. Here comes the other one. Oh, Lambo and Audi make some beautiful engines, I just want to say. He's gonna... Yep, there we go. Trying to watch out, Saya. It's all kicking off.